Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll learn how to make $100 per day without a website. You don't need any skills. I promise you can learn this. You don't need any money, and this is just going to help you to make ends meet in this economy. I've been a physical therapist for 30 years and I make money every single day over the internet. It's been a true blessing for me to have this extra money coming in, and I know it will be for you as well. So I'm excited. If you're excited, leave a comment down below. $100 a day, and we're getting started right now. Okay, if we go to Google Trends and type in start online business, you can see that the trend is going up. And that is because of what's happening in the economy. Everyone wants a side hustle, something to do from home that they can make extra money. And so we're going to become someone who provides a solution. What does everyone need? They need tools to build their business. So I'm going to talk about becoming an affiliate for Kartra. What exactly is Kartra? It is an all-in-one platform. I use this as an autoresponder and a page builder, but it's different than ClickFunnels because ClickFunnels doesn't have a place to store leads. It just is a lead capture page, but this Kartra has everything. You can sell products or services. You can build capture pages. You can collect leads. You can create membership sites, have a help desk, calendars, videos. Everything is in this platform. So it's a really great affiliate program as well. And we're going to earn 40% commissions. This is huge because it's going to be residual income too. So if we take a look at the plans here, so if someone comes in and gets a starter plan, that's $99 a month. So you're going to get $48 approximately a month, every person that you refer. And then what's going to happen is people start to generate more leads in their business and they're going to have to upgrade. So let's say you referred someone who, starts to make a lot of money and generate a lot of leads. You can get $200 per month per person that you refer. You never know who it is that you're going to refer that goes on to become, very successful. But even so, $40 a month per person is pretty darn good. So I love Kartra affiliate program. So where are you going to find content to promote Kartra? You can do a Google search, you can do a YouTube search. And here's just some keywords that I came up with because a lot of people will wonder, what's the difference between Kartra and ClickFunnels? If we go over to YouTube and type in Kartra versus ClickFunnels, you'll see that people have done videos on this. This is a really great video that you can do, and both of these have free trials, so you don't actually have to keep it. You can do tutorials on YouTube, and you can find free software, free screen capture. This person here does not show his face on camera, so you don't have to do that, but you can just come in here and see what other people have done. There's blog posts that you can look at as well. And if you just come in here and type in Kartra, this is the second largest search engine under Google. YouTube is. So if you come in and you type in Kartra, you'll see all these other keywords that come up that you can make videos around as well. Kartra tutorial, Kartra membership site, Kartra pricing. People are going to want to know how much does it cost. So I just put down some keywords ideas for you. Again, Kartra versus ClickFunnels, or you could do Kartra versus whatever other funnel builder like Builderall or other funnels out there, because people want to know what's the best or what's the difference between these page builders. Kartra for beginners is another good one. Kartra done for you funnels, because you can create those in there as well. So those are just some ideas of what you can do. Another way you can come up with keywords is just type in Kartra and then go through the alphabet. You could do A, Kartra agency, Kartra and WordPress, then type in B. See other keywords that people are already searching for. Kartra versus Builderall, course creation. There's all kinds of keywords. And I don't want you to think, oh my gosh, this is too hard. Because I promise you, when I started out on YouTube, I didn't know anything, but you go out there and you learn from blog posts or YouTube videos, and then you just come up with your own content. And the more you do it, the more confident you'll get, the better you'll get at it. You just have to start somewhere. And you could even create a whole YouTube channel around Kartra and just go through Kartra's frequently asked questions and create a video around every single one of those frequently asked questions. There's people that do that. I don't think I've seen it on Kartra, but there's somebody who's done it on Click Magic. And I'm telling you, this person is making a lot of money through Click Magic, their affiliate program, because it's residual as well. And let's see if I can find him here. It's this guy right here. You can take a look at his channel because he does this around all kinds of tools, because you wouldn't just have to limit yourself to Kartra. You could do any tools that someone would use to build a business. And so you can see he has ClickFunnels, he has Click Magic, Lead Pages, there's all kinds of tutorials that he's doing on here, and he's basing it around frequently asked questions, because what would people be searching for? Frequently asked questions. So you're answering their question, and again, you don't have to know this, you can go out there and learn it, and it's just a really great way to make money. And again, it is residual, so it's definitely worth putting your time and effort into becoming a Kartra affiliate. Before we get on to number 2, if you're enjoying this information and you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do that so we can hang out and talk about affiliate marketing, YouTube marketing, and money manifestation. And also click the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So the second thing I want to talk about is that you can create a print-on-demand Etsy store. Etsy is a gold mine. Now this isn't completely free because you do have to spend 20 cents for each listing, but still, even if you listed 100 items and spent $20, that's pretty darn cheap. So I want to share with you a couple print-on-demand stores on Etsy that'll give you some really great inspiration, because you don't have to create designs. You can just come up with sayings on mugs and t-shirts and different items and sell these on Etsy. You don't actually have to have these mugs. What print on demand is, in case you don't know, is you just put a picture of what it will look like. You have your design on a mug, but when somebody purchases it, the number one store, print on demand store that's integrated with Etsy is Printify. So what happens then is they get your order, they know that someone has purchased this mug or t-shirt, they fulfill the order, they send it to the customer, and then you get the difference. So it's pretty much hands off after you get your designs up. So let's take a look. They have some really interesting sayings on their cups. Meltdown Manager, because these would be so easy to get inspiration from and create your own designs. You could just change this: eat, sleep, research, repeat. You could change this up: eat, sleep, whatever, repeat. And you would put these designs in there, and just kind of like a store on eBay, if you're drop shipping, you put items on there and see which things sell the best. But you can go in here and see what the best sellers are and kind of get ideas from it. And so that's the first store I wanted to share with you. The second one is, I don't know if I know how to say it, witticism. Witticisms are us. Okay, and so look at what they have here. Some of them might be kind of offensive. I'm cranky. I'm not cranky. You're just stupid. Okay. So there may be some sayings that you say all the time that would be funny to someone else. This isn't the shirt I ordered. It could be worse because that's censored. This one says nope. Now, you could come up with something, maybe just one word like this, and look at how many they've sold. 5,750. And I would say, I'm not sure the exact profit margins, I would say $6 or $7 times 5, almost 6,000. That's a lot of money. And then they also have them on t-shirts. So you may come up with something very similar and put it on like a a travel mug or something, maybe different items that you have it on. So those are just some examples of what you might do. And then you can do it on Photoshop, or you can go to canva.com and create your design, and then create an Etsy store and have all these listed. And again, you don't have to have these stored in your garage. They don't get made until someone actually purchases them. You see they have a lot listed here, but you can start out with maybe, I would say 100 designs and see which ones sell the best. But you can come into Etsy and get ideas for all kinds of designs that you can make at least $100 a day. As you get this going, it's very, very profitable. So before we get on to number 3, if you want to learn my number 1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. Also, if you want to learn how to start a profitable YouTube channel, that'll be the second link in the description below the video. The last thing I want to talk about is YouTube ads. And I've talked about this a lot on my channel, but I can't tell you how amazing it is to be able to make money from YouTube every single month. And this is where you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 12 months, and then you can apply for the Google AdSense program. I would say the more niche specific your site is, the easier it is for Google to place ads and the more money that you'll make in general. But you can do what's called a Faceless YouTube channel, where you don't show your face. And I wanted to share with you some really cool examples of ideas that you can have for YouTube channels. The first one is called Teddy Kittens, and I just found this channel today. These are just kittens that they're filming doing different things. They're cats, and it's just very, very interesting. They actually make a lot of money. They have 442,000 subscribers. And let's take a look at their stats here to see how many subscribers they get every single day. 136,000 subscribers. That's not per day, I'm sorry, that is per month. And if we take a look at their Social Blade stats, we can get an idea of how much money they make. I will tell you they make well over $100 a day. And this would be a very fun job, don't you think? Just filming your kittens and your cats and putting them up on YouTube and making money. Let's see if the Social Blade stats will come up here. Here we go. Okay, so they get over 38 million views every month, and they make anywhere from 9,500 to 152,000. I think it's probably more towards 100, 125. I don't know if it's all the way up to 152,000 a month, but that's just from them posting videos and people clicking on ads on their videos. And I'm thinking that they probably have these monetized. Let's take a look here. This is one they just posted today, 8 hours ago, and literally it is this kitten sleeping, and there's a chicken like jumping on top of it. So let's see here if they have it monetized in any way down here. Nope, they actually don't. They don't have any affiliate links or anything in here, so they could actually be making a lot more money than they are making just with Google AdSense. So that's the first one I wanted to share with you. The second one, and I've talked about this in my channel here, is creating a meditation channel. And a great example of that is Michael Seeley, and he has over 1 million subscribers, and he does make a lot of money on this channel, so you can take a look at that one. Then Skinny Recipes. This woman, she's an older lady, she never shows her face on camera, but, well, maybe this one she does, but she just shows herself making these recipes, and she has over 1 million subscribers. Let's see approximately how much she makes. So if you're into cooking, you could have a cooking channel very easily and just kind of model after what these successful channels are doing. Let me see if the Social Blade stats will come up here. Yeah, so she's making anywhere from $1,000 to $26,000 per month just by people clicking on her ads. So that's a very successful cooking channel that you could model after if you're into cooking. And then top 10 channels do very, very well. This is just an example, is Jake's Top 10. And he just does a lot of different topics. 10 funniest celebrity commercials ever made. So you can look at this channel and see good ideas for a top 10 channel that you might create. And all of these people, obviously they started from nothing and they just learned as they went along. So I don't want you to think, oh, I couldn't do that, because I promise you can. And then tutorial channels are really good to do too. So if there's anything that you know how to do that you could create one channel about, like if you're an auto mechanic and you know how to fix automobiles, you could have a channel just around that. And then if you know how to do something technical on the computer, those are really, really popular channels because people are always trying to figure out something on the computer. I think there was one on Photoshop, so if you're good with Photoshop. So you can see this person knows a lot about Photoshop, and they have a whole channel, over 1 million subscribers that come to this channel to look at Photoshop tutorials. So if you have some sort of expertise, you could start a YouTube channel around that. I've seen channels around knitting and crocheting, and they have millions of subscribers. So think of something that you know something about, or again, you can just model after some of these channels that are already doing really, really well. And if you want to learn more about how to start a Faceless YouTube channel, the second link in the description below the video, there's a free masterclass. Definitely take a look at that. And I do have a playlist of how to create these Faceless YouTube channels on meditation, motivation. This one here, make $5,000 per month on YouTube, re-uploading videos, make $1,500 per month. And there's another one, make $7,500 per month. I'm going to leave the playlist to these videos in the description below this video. Congratulations if you made it this far into the video. I can tell that you're somebody who really wants to change your life. So let's go ahead and continue the learning now with this next video that's coming up, how to make $3,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.